installation process for flap gates involves several sequential steps to ensure reliable water management. Initially, the steel liner is carefully positioned and secured in place with concrete progress to provide structural support. Subsequently, the gate sill beam is installed, followed by the assembly and attachment of the trunnion hub and gate support frames. Hydraulic cylinders, frames, and pipes are then mounted, with connections made to the hydraulic power unit, HPU. Gate leaves are meticulously prepared, including cutting and hinge installation, before being lowered and connected to the trunnion hubs and hydraulic cylinders. Gate side seals curved sections are positioned along the edges, and platforms for locking devices are installed. Alignment, bolting, and welding of gate leaves joints ensue, with NEPA breakers welded. Paint repairs are conducted, and bottom and side seals are installed to ensure water tightness. Finally, comprehensive testing is carried out to validate functionality and address any potential issues before completion.